So let's create this AI automation for free in just 5 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can create up to 100 of automations for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder and let's see how to create this AI automation. For that, you have to understand that this is the most important window of our automation, because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So in order to start, you have to select the trigger application. So I'm going to create an AI automation which is going to post Facebook page post. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to schedule this post every day. Okay, so for that the trigger will be schedule. So I'm just going to look for schedule, select it, and then the event, and click on this connect. Now it is asking me how often do you want to run your workflow. So let's keep it as every day, and for the time let's keep it as 1 p.m. every day, and then click on this save. Now this workflow is scheduled for every day 1 p.m. Now using AI, which is going to generate the post content. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to use Gemini. You can use any another application too. For the event, select it as generate content and click on this connect. If you haven't connected Gemini right now, then you have to click on this add a new connection, and it is going to ask you for the API key. So to get this API key, go on this Google AI Studio. Once you go on your Google AI Studio, you have to wait till it's getting loaded. After that, from the left hand of the site, you have to go on the get API key section, and you have to click on this create API key button. You have to name your key, select the project, and click on this create key button. Your key will be created. Then you just have to copy and paste the key right over here and click on this save, and your Gemini will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to enter the prompt over here. So to enter the prompt over here, you're going to find the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below, and in this workflow URL you're going to find the prompt. So simply copy and paste the prompt. This is for a fashion store. You can keep it as according to your own choices or your own Facebook page. Now you have to select the model, select the method as generate content, and click on this save and send test request. I chose the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash. If you want, you can change it directly from here. When you're going to click on the save and send test request, it is going to generate you the post content which you can further post. Okay, so let's just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Facebook and select Facebook pages over here. For the event, select it as create page post, click on this connect. If you haven't connected Facebook till now, click on this add a new connection and then connect with Facebook pages. Now you have to make sure that your Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log it in, and then only you're going to get this option to click on this continue. Once you get this option to click on this continue, just click on this continue and your Facebook pages will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, what you have to do, you have to wait for a few seconds till it is getting loaded first of all. Then you have to choose the Facebook page. So the name of my Facebook page is Stacy Drape, so I'm just going to select the same. For the message, we're just going to enter the message with Gemini generated. But we are not going to enter it manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, put a slash and then open the response of Gemini and map it right over here. For the link URL, if you want to map something like that, you can map it. Otherwise, just click on this save and send test request. When you're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to receive the positive response that you have successfully posted this on Facebook. So let's open our Facebook and we're going to refresh this page. Now when we're going to refresh this, yes, you can see the new post is posted on our Facebook, magic. And yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we created right now. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and not only creating Facebook page posts, but you can create many more AI automations for free. For more automation tips and tutorials, do subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Apart from that, the workflow URL is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching everyone. See you in the next video.